Hi friends, welcome to SGK English for a new video. Past simple and past perfect. See, actually it is a part of 10th class AP textual grammar, unit 4. In your textbook there is a conversation between Sharath and Bharat, see, to fill in the blanks using appropriate forms of the verbs given in brackets. Okay now. So before coming to the lesson, let me request you to subscribe if you have not and support me by giving me a like and enable the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay now. So come to the lesson. Actually we study simple past and past perfect. As you know, whatever happened in the past is simple past. It can be one period before, few minutes before, one day before, 1 year, even centuries before. Is it not so? So he came to visit me 1 hour before, an hour before. Is it not so? We were taught mathematics in the last period, maybe few minutes before, just before the bell. We were taught. Okay now. So he taught us or we were taught. Okay, so past simple can be a few minutes before, a day before, an year before, okay, even centuries before. India won independence in 1947. I bought a book yesterday. We bought a car last year. Vasco da Gama came to India in the year 1498. Yes, so it can be any. See, there is no specific period there. Whatever is finished can be past simple. The important thing is that we take it as part of the past action. That is more important. Okay now, when do you use past perfect? See, perfect in the past. That means before past. Before an action having taken place, before that something else had been taken. Oh. Past simple is an action that took place in a past period of time. Past perfect means before past. See, before an action in the past happened, something else happened. Okay na? That is past perfect. Otherwise we can say this also in past simple. Okay na? See, for example, take this example, when I reached at 8 p.m., they had finished the dinner. Actually reached at 8 p.m. See, I came there at 8 p.m., right? But before my arrival, before that, the dinner had been finished. They had finished the dinner. Or the dinner had been finished, okay, before my arrival. So, this happened in the past, this before past. See, simple words, if two actions are taking place in a past period of time, what happened first should be in past perfect. What happened second should be in a past simple. See, if two actions are taking place in a past period of time, what happened first, not what is told first, should be in past perfect, and what happened second should be in a past simple. A famous example is there. See, when I reached the station, the train had left. I reached there, but before my reaching, what happened? The train left the place. The train had left. The train had left. See, when I reached the station, it means that I did not get the train. It left the station before my arrival. Okay na? That is past perfect. See, this is past simple and past perfect. So past simple means S plus V2. You know it, no? S plus V2, very simple. V2. Okay. V1, V2, V3. Present, past participle. Past perfect means had plus V3. Subject plus had plus V3. Okay. So subject plus hard plus V3. Always remember this hard plus V3 because in indirect speech also it comes past simple becomes a past perfect. We saw in the last video. Now come to your textual grammar part. You see a conversation between Sharath and Bharat. See, look at the sentence given here. Oh, what happened? First you read with the words given in brackets. Oh, what happened? Everything be disturbed before the play come to an end. That means the play actually ended. Is it not so? Before the play is not come, came. The play came to an end. So, what happened? What happened before the play came to an end? Everything disturbed. It should be past perfect. So, means hard plus V3 of be. That is been. See? I mean, is, was, been. Or are, were, been. I mean, three forms of be. Abhisar was, were, being and been. Been is a B-double-E-N. Been is a V3 of be. B-E-I-N-G is a present participle ing form. So, I mean, hard plus V3, hard been. See, everything hard been. So, past perfect. Okay, now? Is it clear to you? Here, what happened? Okay. Everything had been. Okay. Disturbed before the play came. Okay. You can understand now? C-A-M-E. Okay. Came to an end. Before the play came to an end, everything had been disturbed. So, what happened? See, he is asking. Who is asking here? Sharath is asking. Yes. Damn it. Miss curse it, miss shit. Okay, like that. The play, see, actually interesting. The play interesting. The play came to an end now, so everything over. So it should be past of B, that is V2. The play was interesting. I said no. I mean, is, was, been. That is singular. Plural means are, were, been. So the play was interesting. Someone on the stage, okay. See? Had done something when the hero threw him off. Yes. The hero threw him off. See, someone had done something. I past perfect. Someone had done something when the hero threw him off. He was thrown off. Okay, na? Through. Now, see the next line. I too saw it. It was a comedian. It was done by the comedian. The hero hailed him since he had done a mischievous thing. See, it was a comedian. The reason was the comedian, the comic actor. The hero hailed him since he had done a mischievous thing. The hero really hailed him off, threw him off. Because he had done a mischievous thing. Because he had done a mischievous thing, the hero hailed him off, means threw him out. Now the next line, how disgusting, means how shameful. Okay, na? What a shameful situation. I pay ₹100 rupees before I enter this theatre. So here is a very good example. See, pay and enter. See, what happened first? After paying the money only you can enter theatre. So what happened first is my paying the money. So this should go into past perfect. Because after paying the money only that you can enter the theatre. So I had plus V3. I had paid ₹100 or 100 rupees before I entered the theatre. I entered the theatre, but before entering the theatre I had already paid. So what happened first should be in past perfect and what happened second should be in a past simple. I told already now in the beginning. That's it. Okay now. So I had paid ₹100 before I entered the theatre. Okay now. So what happened should be in a past perfect. Next one should be in past simple. Next, see where director Amisar is not was. See where was the director. Is it not so? Where was the, not where is, already over now. Where was the director when those things happened? So, had he, see, past perfect. Had he tried? Had he tried or had he not tried? It can be negative also, correct. Had he not tried, why did he not try? Had he not tried, okay, we can say had he tried also, whether he tried or not. So you can say had he not tried, that is the exact answer. Had he tried also meaning correct. Okay, na? Exactly telling that had he not tried means did he not try? Yes, had he not tried to set things right before the audience started leaving. Anyhow, audience would start leaving when all these commotion problems and all will take place. Before they began leaving, did he not try? Or had he not tried? Had he not tried before the audience started leaving? The electrician restored the power before the audience, see, before the audience left. So before the audience left, the electrician had restored the power. Yes. So there was a problem, then the electrician came, he had restored the power before the audience left. See? And he ends by telling, thank God, at last the play resumed. At the end, the play started again. Okay, now, many words are here, but simple things, but most important thing to remember is that when two actions take place in a past period of time, what happens first should be in past perfect, what happens second, not what happened. First should be in a past perfect, and what happened second should be in a past simple. I repeat once again, when two actions are taken place in a past period of time, what happened first should be in past perfect, what happened second should be in a past simple. That is past perfect and past simple. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you for watching. Meet you with another lesson. Goodbye.